Good morning, class. Chapter self-esteem we are discussing. Last class we have discussed in our previous classes what we have discussed about the what is the description, means what is self-esteem, that we have discussed. Then we have discussed how to get a healthy self-esteem, how it can or how it can help us, or what is the role of that self-esteem, that also we have discussed, is it? And we come to know that if you want to carry a healthy self-esteem, what are the signs? Last class, previous class, what we have discussed, the signs of healthy self-esteem. What? The confident level, the positive thinking, what we have discussed, ability to say no. Okay, towards your goal, to achieve something you have to be fixed on the goal, is it? And you, if you say no to change your views, that means you have the capability, and because of your self-esteem you are actually getting all those things, is it? So here the healthy signs we have discussed. Now today we'll discuss about the low self-esteem, the signs of low health signs of low self-esteem. Okay, low self-esteem. What are the signs we'll discuss? Okay, the first one, you see, you may need to work on how you perceive yourself. You may need to work on how you perceive yourself if you exhibit any of the signs of poor self-esteem. So if you are carrying all those low esteem, how you can be? It is the points. First one, negative outlook. The first point is negative outlook. Now you see, if you are carrying a negative outlook, you cannot achieve anything, is it? You cannot achieve anything. See, if you see everything in a positive way, that means it is like that you can do that work. It is like that you can do that work. But if you see the thing in a negative outlook, first only if you mention that this is not possible for me, I cannot do this work, I am not capable enough to do this work, that means you are carrying a negative outlook. And if you have negative outlook, that means you have low self-esteem, is it? So this is the first point, or the signs to have a low self-esteem, negative outlook. Next, lack of confidence. Whatever we have discussed in the high or healthy self-esteem, the opposite only will become in the low self-esteem. Secondly, lack of what? Lack of confidence. Lack of confidence. Inability to express your need. Whatever you need, you have to express. If you have that capability to say or to express yourself, that means you are carrying a healthy self-esteem. But if you cannot express what you need, that means you are carrying a low self-esteem. You are carrying a low self-esteem. So it is very important. It is very important to understand or to express your need. But if you cannot express, inability to express your need is the signs of low self-esteem. Then after that, focus on your weaknesses. If you want to overcome or achieve anything in life, you have to understand or accept your weaknesses. But if you cannot accept your weakness, that means that fear always within you, and that you cannot change yourself. That you cannot change yourself. So it will be always better. It will be always better to get your success to be the need or probability or to accept your weaknesses. So you have to be very careful about this, to accept your weaknesses. If you accept your weakness, that means you are carrying a high self-esteem. But if you cannot express your need, or if you are only focusing on your weaknesses, that means you are carrying a low self-esteem. After that, see, feelings of shame, depression or anxiety, these are the signs. Shame, anxiety, these are the signs of low self-esteem. Okay, what I said, that shame, depression or anxiety. These are the signs of low self-esteem. If you are carrying this all, shame, depression and anxiety, that means you are carrying a low self-esteem. So you have to be very careful about this. If you have these all things, shame, always to say something, to express your feeling, you are feeling shame, or you are always in a depressed mode, depression, or you are always feeling irritating, anxieties are there with you, that means you are carrying a low self-esteem. Clear? After that, you see, believe that others are better than you. Some people are there, or they are actually used to say like that. He or she is better than me. I am not like that. She looks better than me. I am not like that. She is good in studies. I am not like that. So these are the negative points, or what you call that, believe that all others are better than me. This point is actually carrying or having that low self-esteem. Okay, these points are carrying or having that low self-esteem. So you have to be very careful about that. If you have these all things, that you are always believing the others are better than you, that means you are carrying a low self-esteem. You have to be very careful for that. Trouble accepting positive feedback. Okay, you are getting trouble to accept the positive feedback. If anyone is giving you the positive feedback, you are always in a mode to think that is it the correct one he is saying or she is saying, or it's just giving a feedback or all. You are just confused about these all things. So this is the way you are getting trouble to get that positive feedback to accept. Clear? Fear of failure, and always you are having a fear carrying with you that you will be fail. If this work you cannot do, you will become a failure. So these are all points actually the signs of low self-esteem. Okay, these all points are the signs of low self-esteem. So what we have discussed the signs of healthy self-esteem. Secondly, we have discussed the signs of low self-esteem. Now, in our next class, we will discuss about some tips to get the self-esteem. Okay, for building the self-esteem. So, your work, these two things, you will just read out, or you can make a comparison between them, low self-esteem or healthy self-esteem. Clear? Up to this only, read and try to understand. If you will get any trouble, just text me on Tenno, definitely. Okay, till then, thank you class.